If you find that your images are consistently darker than you prefer, there's a really easy fix in Lightroom, or you can even do it in Camera Raw filter inside of Photoshop. Let's take a look. With your image open in Lightroom, if you're under the Develop tab at the top of the screen, you can go over to the right side and you'll see different sliders like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. These are the main sliders that are going to help us change our exposure. First and foremost, just slide the exposure tab to give us instant exposure changes. Now, depending on your image, you may have different needs for what you actually need to change with that exposure. Sometimes it's as simple as raising the exposure tab. Other times you may have different things like whites or highlights that may need to come down to make your image look more the way that you would want it to. Editing doesn't have to be complicated or confusing. Just using these few simple tools in Lightroom or Photoshop Camera Raw can make a world of difference for your photos.